Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the earphones and the boat's Bluetooth source. This prevents shorts and accidental pairing. Once done, dry the units and open the main housing using a small Phillips and a spudger. Follow the seam, not brute force, because clips break easily. Make sure to photograph internal connectors and the battery orientation for reassembly. Place screws in a magnetic tray so nothing falls into bilge crevices. These first steps set you up to swap modules or replace damaged components safely and efficiently. Next, you remove the speaker wiring or harness. Desolder only if necessary and keep wire lengths intact so impedance and balance remain correct. Replace the Bluetooth module or battery with a part that matches voltage and pinout. Mismatches cause audio issues or damage. Once connected, apply temporary power and use a multimeter to confirm proper voltage and continuity, then pair to your boat system to verify audio. Make sure to test left/right channels and mic function now so you avoid opening the shell twice. To finish, reseat any gaskets and seals and use a tiny dab of marine-grade silicone where seals were damaged. This preserves IP protection. Reassemble in reverse order, tightening screws snug but not over-tightened. Then pair the earphones and run a 10 to 15-minute audio stress test at moderate volume to confirm stability. If something goes wrong, try a module reset, inspect the antenna lead and solder joints for corrosion, and replace any corroded traces. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.